Okay, so this even though I've shut the ball valve, this intake pipe for the gas water heater is still not stopped leaking. If you noticed, still leaking. But I noticed this is hot water actually. So probably what's might be happening is there isn't any water coming in, but there's probably water coming out from this intake, which shouldn't be happening, but probably the pressure is forcing the water to come out of this pipe from the intake and leaking. So what I should probably do is drain, even now that I've shut this ball valve from the intake, I should probably drain the water tank from one of the hot water faucets, and that'll, once I drain it, there won't be any water in the water tank, and then this should not leak because I've shut the intake. So that's what I'm going to try to do. And then next I'll also shut off the gas, because I don't want it to heat when there's no water. uh, the window does not show any gas or flame, but just to be safe I should shut it off probably. So I'm gonna do that. This is one of those mechanical gas valves, so I'm gonna shut it to off, I think. Yeah, put it off over here, so it's not gonna be heating. Yeah, that shuts off the gas. And then next I'm gonna go and drain this water tank. You can hear that swishing sound, yeah, which is the water coming out. So I'm gonna go drain this now, and I can use any hot water outlet to drain it. Okay, so I'm just gonna drain this hot water. It should eventually drain out everything. You can already see it's very slow, the flow of water, flow of hot water, but I should drain it all out just to be sure. It's also possible that ball valve is not working and it's letting water in, but first let's drain this completely, the hot water from the tank. Seems like there is quite a bit of water. There's still a lot of water coming out. That should actually relieve most of the pressure. So there may be some backflow too, so I'm gonna try a different tap over here. Let's see this tap also. And this one, there's no water, hot water coming out. It looks like it's almost all drained. Let's take a look at this. This is still coming out. Meantime, I'll go back and take a look at to see if it has actually at least reduced the leak or the. There's also a pressure relief valve, which maybe I can also use that to try to see if I can release the pressure, and also that might stop the leak. So let's take a look now. So it looks like it has stopped the leak now. I don't hear this swishing sound. Yep, it's definitely stopped the leak now. I don't see the leak. It's leaking from here actually. So that's good, at least it's taken care of that leak problem, and I won't be wasting water through the leak on this flex pipe. And maybe I can release the doesn't seem to be any pressure. Well, I'm going to be replacing this water heater anyway. It's very old. I think it's over 17 years old. And then I should also, this tray has got this water, which I'm going to use this pump over here, electric pump, to uh, empty this tray of water. So that's good. I'll be replacing this water heater. This is 17 years old. It's a State Select 40 gallon short version. I had already replaced the other one. I had 2 water heaters last year. This is a Rheem, same exact specs, 40 gallon short. So now that I've taken care of this leak, at least I won't get a fat water bill. And looks like this ball valve is actually working to stop the water, so that's good.